Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and in this video we are gonna learn how to enable power saving while playing Age of Empires. First of all, launch open the Age of Empires game on your device, and once you are inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top left corner. Once you're inside this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap Settings. After you open up the Settings menu, click on Graphics. Underneath graphic quality, click on the button where it says power saving, and once you have that button turned on, you can now head back to the lobby screen, and with this you will be able to turn on the power saving for Age of Empires. Now you can enjoy Age of Empires without worrying too much about draining your battery. So that is the easy and a quick way to do so. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.